Hey guys, today we are learning about how to draw word art, how to draw smart art and how to draw chart. So first you want to open Microsoft Word document. Then first we learn how to draw word art. So go on insert tab and there is text group. In the text group there is word art. So there is many types of word art. Then I want baby pink color. Then here you write your tags. I write my name Atmika and then you click on OK button. So there is my name Atmika. So this is we learn how to draw word art. And our next topic is how to draw smart art. So first you go on insert tab. There is in illustrations group. In illustration group there is smart art. So there is many types of smart art. Then I want this one and then you click on OK button. So this is your smart art and there you write your text and I write my name Atmika, then my father's name Vivek, then my mother's name Mona, then my sister's name Advika, then my brother's name Siddharth. So this is we learn how to draw smart art. And our next topic is how to draw chart. So first you want to open insert tab, illustration group and there is chart. So it's your choice what you want. I want this one. This is there is category 1, category 2, category 3 and category 4 and there are 3 series. So this is we learn how to draw chart and you also design your chart like other colors. There are many types of colors. See that, and I want this one. So this is very beautiful one, and so this is my today's video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel.